I don't know of a company that has got as much sales as they want. So there's always a problem with sales, whether it's conversion, whether it's their salespeople prospecting enough, any of those kind of things. So NLP gives us a whole series of specific structured tools that we can give to salespeople, which really, if we want to wrap the whole thing up, it would be based around rapport. When I first learned to sell, I was told that the people that would be my customers were the people that would be most like me. The thing with NLP is, as a salesperson, it gives you flexibility so that you can become like everyone. You can build rapport with everyone. And what it enables you to discover from a potential client is how they want to be sold to, and then structuring your sales process to how they want to buy, which is remarkable, really. And we've done that for a number of companies over the years. One that sticks in my mind is a company called Eagle Star, which were very big in the life insurance industry. I think they've been bought out by Zurich Life now, but they were big, and they brought me in to do an NLP training program for their top producers. And I think we did 2 or 3 of these programs for about 20 people on each one. The result of that, Eagle Star were blown away with it, because on average, over 3 months after the program, their top producers increased their sales by 50%. Now, they're people who are top producers. Yeah, I mean, if they were their bottom producers and they'd got an increase of 50%, they would have been happy. But for their top producers to get an extra 50% was unbelievable. But also, top producers, bright guys, they immediately are sitting there going like, now I know why I didn't get that sale. Now I know why I didn't get that sale. Now I know why I didn't get that sale. More importantly, I know what to do about it now. So now I know I'd get it. So that's pretty remarkable, really, I think, for salespeople.